Hi everyone. So today, let's begin with the random forest. And a random forest is nothing but the collection of decision trees, which is used for solving a complex issues. So random forest is it is an algorithm that generates a forest of decision trees. Okay, and also it is based on ensemble learning, which integrates multiple classifiers pairs to solve a complex issues and increases a model performance. Okay, so this is what the random forest means. And if I in the while implementing the random forest, what are the steps will be considered? So first step is to extract data. Next one is explanatory data analysis. And for third step is to extract the features. Feature extraction. The fourth step, you will have the model building. The fifth step, after building the model, you have to check whether the performance is good or not. For that, model, this comes under model evaluation. The final step, visualize the results. This is the steps for implementing random forest model. So, in the next video, I will implement the random forest algorithm and build that model. And stay tuned. We will explain you in the next video. Thank you.